Hi guys, how are you doing? So in today's video I'll be sharing with you an home remedy. I usually do this way back when I had my baby girl, but I stopped at some point. I don't know why, but this remedy has helped me to maintain my baby's hair. It has maintained her hair growth. I usually do this but at some point I stopped. I don't know why. This is me going back to my old routine, going back to my home remedy to help my babies, because recently I found out that whenever I'm making my baby's hair, it's usually painful. So thought going back to this remedy might help her. So this is the three ingredients I'll be using. This is shea butter, this is coconut oil. I got this from Nigeria, and I got this shea butter from Nigeria as well. This is Jamaican castor oil. I got it via Amazon. I don't know how genuine this is, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed and I hope it gives me the result I want. So these are the three ingredients I will be mixing together. So firstly, I want to dissolve my shea butter. I'll be putting this right here to dissolve it. Yeah, and I'll just give it some time and I'll get back to it. So this is my shea butter. It has been dissolved. I'll be mixing all the ingredients together. I'll be mixing my Jamaican castor oil and the coconut oil together with my shea butter. And I'll be mixing, this is my coconut oil. I'm not sure my Jamaican castor oil can fit in this, but let's see. So I'm left with my Jamaican castor oil. Let's see if it's gonna fit in my shea butter. Let's see. That is my remedy: shea butter, coconut oil, and my Jamaican castor oil. As you can see, for hair, skin, and nails. So you can do this at home. So I'm just mixing all the ingredients together: my shea butter, my coconut oil, and my Jamaican castor oil. So when it cools down, I will keep it in my fridge for it to mold nicely. Hey guys, so this is the next morning. I just want to show you the final result of my hair care home remedy. So that's it guys. I hope this helps. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.